Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I received this Bible study kit from the brand, and it's honestly one of the most complete and thoughtfully designed Bible journaling sets I've ever seen. There are 43 pieces in this kit. It's loaded with everything, all you need and more for any Bible study or markups you need to do. These are perfect for my Bible and my Bible study journaling. So if you enjoy highlighting scriptures, organizing, or journaling during devotions, this kit makes everything easier and more enjoyable. It comes with pastel highlighters. Look at those. They're beautiful colors and they highlight wonderfully. So get these pastel gel pens that write nice and smooth, and each one has a soft, comfortable grip on the end. These are great for journaling, prayer notes, writing reflections in the margins, and you get these really cool magnetic bookmarks. I have one here. Look at there. You go right to the page, and it just magnetizes to my journal. That's simple. I can get to my passages quickly during study sessions. And then you can use these transparent sticky notes placed directly over the text, add notes or reflections without covering the scripture permanently. You get these beautiful stationery. And I am in love with these cross-shaped paper clips. They are adorable. This is a beautiful and practical set to support Bible journaling, scripture study, prayer notes, faith-based reflection. You will love it.